Alright, Rob Frisia here. This video, Cash Juice checklist. So if you joined Cash Juice, you want to follow the plan, here is a checklist, roughly, to do once you get set up to make sure you're using this plan to the maximum. Also, underneath this video, when I do include the blog post, I'm going to go into more detail, and I'll have that link in the first comment and in the video description of this video once it's uploaded. So basically it's very simple. Cash Juice, the Cash Juice plan is basically just what you see right here. You see Cash Juice and you have traffic ad bar, this bar down here. And the whole idea is based on advertising this link and getting 500 hits per day to this link, and that will mathematically will bring people into your system to which you can connect with them. Cash Juice is kind of like a social media platform slash advertising platform slash plan slash, it's just a bunch of different things. So here you can see it's, just like a social media thing set up. You'll set up your profile, you'll have the ability to post your links, your funnel links. For example, I'm going to just click on this guy down here. You see his whole page, see his website, see his post, these right there are some of his websites, see who his followers are, the whole idea. And you can do the same thing for yourself as well. So, getting into it, first thing, the checklist. Number one would be to actually click on the plan. You can see it right here on the left. And to go down here and to just read through this and set up your accounts here. Also understand everything here is free. You can sign up for free. Cash Juice free. Traffic Ad Bar free. These three websites here, free, and some more free. Now, obviously, if you have a lot of time, you can surf and do all of the different things because this is a traffic exchange centered strategy. But if you don't have a lot of time, and you have a few bucks and it doesn't require a lot of money, you could very easily just pay for clicks from these three sites: Traffic Swarm, Easy Hits, and Traffic Splash, which is basically what I do. I buy around, actually I'm close to, in the beginning I was buying around 3,500 clicks per week from these three sites, but now I'm up to like 7,000, and I basically just kind of leave it there. What I do is I divide it up into thirds. Basically, I just buy enough clicks here, so it's around 7,000 clicks, and that's roughly 1,000 hits per day per my website. So, the very first thing, click on the plan, go down here, read through this, go through the intro here. Basically, just go through all of this stuff, watch all of the videos, and then when you're ready, go here to setup. And your second thing would be to actually go down here and set up your Traffic Ad Bar, Traffic Splash, Easy Hits, and Traffic Swarm. So, very simple. Step one, create your free account. Step two, go through the information. Step three, create your accounts in all the different places. And that's really it. Now, they do have a upgraded plan that you can do, so that you don't necessarily have to pay for, but I do. And when you upgrade, in fact, before I actually get into that, I just want to show you just where I stand when it comes to Cash Juice. So what I clicked on is basically leagues on the menu here. I just went up here to click on your stats. And then when you click on leagues, that just basically lets you know where you stand in a company. So the first person, 3,000 hit or 3 million hits, 3,300 followers, 1,300 referrals, so on and so forth. So my league positions, this is where I stand. I'm 53rd in a company as far as referrals. 94th as far as followers, and I generated 7,000 hits so far to this particular site of mine. I particularly follow the Cash Juice plan, but instead of sending my traffic here, I send to another page, which I'll cover that in another video. But I basically follow the Cash Juice plan. It's just I don't do it to promote Cash Juice right off the bat. So getting back into it. First thing, create your free accounts. Second thing, go down here, click on the plan. Third thing, go down here, go through the information, create your free accounts on all of these places. Now, once you create your free accounts there, I may do videos talking about how to join each of these things. But if I don't, I'll include it all in my blog post that I will link in the description, because it's just too much to actually break down how to join every single site, how to program your site, blah, 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 blah. But I will cover that in my blog post when I do eventually get to writing it. So step 1, create your free account. Step 2, go through the plan. Step 3, create your accounts on all of the recommended sites. And again, the whole thing is just to get people to see this page. Step 4, set up your personal profile. You go up here, click on profile. You come down here, make sure your sites are set up. Make sure you're posting here. I post here pretty much every single day. Upload your picture, the typical stuff. As you can see here, I have some sprucing up to do on my membership here. Also, it says previously a gold member. I don't know why it says that, because I am upgraded, but I'll show you one of the benefits of upgrading is being able to advertise on this site. And let me see if I can find my ads right here. I'm click on add. So my ad credits, because I am an upgraded member, that this is proof. You don't get ad credits for being a free member. So I got my ad credits, about 22 some odd thousand. Basically, you just promote your website. I'll just show you what it looks like here. English, all countries. Got my site there. Got my little bit of text. Get 100,000 website visitors per month. Blah 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 blah. You get the point. And that ad is shown throughout the site as people come on here. Like when you go here into the feed, and so you click on, you see the ads right here. Same thing when you go to someone's profile. They'll have their sites, but if they don't have any sites uploaded, they'll have ads of other people's websites here. And so this right here is where your ads are shown. So that's pretty much it. And moving forward, what I do here on a daily basis, I just log in, post maybe 3, 2, sometimes 1 time a day. Sometimes I don't post at all. But I tell everyone, follow the Cash Juice plan. It is very simple. In fact, underneath this video, I'll include a link to my Traffic Exchange YouTube playlist, which is basically the Cash Juice plan. Just, maybe I go into more detail and discuss how I actually work that plan on a day-to-day basis, because I don't have a lot of time to sit here and surf at it. So that being said, wrapping this video up, if you're interested in Cash Juice, I'll include the links below. Again, it's all free, and yes, I do get traffic, and I do, all of my followers I have conversations with. So I have right now 94 followers over here, and it just grows. Whenever you sponsor somebody into Cash Juice, they automatically become your follower. So when you sponsor them, the whole idea, you sponsor them in a Cash Juice, you'll get a notification. They follow you, you follow them back, you go to the profile, you send them a message, you introduce them into your sales funnels, into your businesses, and it just goes from there. So that being said, wrapping this video up, name's Rob Frazier. This is a great place. I'm going to continuously use it. And yeah, I do recommend upgrading. I am upgraded. Like I said, I don't know why I said this previously, because anyway, that's neither here nor there, but from upgrading, you get credits added every single month, and you see the amount of credits I have. So, but anyway, name's Rob Frazier. Link is below. We'll see you in the next.